Hi everyone. Uh, Good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today's date is 27th July and today's our Viva topic is Java main method. The main method is the starting point for JVM to start the execution of the Java program. Uh, Without the main method, the JVM will not execute the program, and the syntax of the main method is Java main method, in which a public it is an access specifier. We should use the public keyword before the main method, and so that the JVM identify the execution point of the program. And if we use a private protected and default before the main method, it will not visible to the JVM. And static, in which you can make a method static by using the keyword static, and we should call the main method without creating an object. And static method are also methods which invokes without creating the objects, so we do not need to any objects to call the main method. And there is some advantages, uh, and in which a word in Java every method has the return type, and word keyword acknowledges the compiler that the main method does not return any values. And the main method, in which it is a default signature which uh, predefined in the JVM, and it is called by the JVM to execute the program line by line, and the end execution after the completion of the method. And we can also evolve the main method, starting in which a string average. The main method also accepts some data from the users, and it accepts the group of strings, which is called a string array, and it is used to the hold the command line argument in the form of the string values. And in Java, the JVM, it is the main method in which, and the array name, and it is a string type. It means that it can store a group of the strings. Remember, this way this array can also store a group of the numbers, but in the form of the string only, and values are passed in the main method is called the arguments. And in Java, the JVM means Java main method, in which when we are executing the code, we should have to write at the top Java main method, and without the main method, the code never does not, or never execute the code. And we should have to write these values and step by step in the code, then and then only the code will be executed in the Java programming language. Thank you.